Let me show you how to fix the Facebook search by posts if it's not showing. For whatever reason, Facebook changed the search settings. I'm going to show you how to find them anyway. Now, within the Facebook app or facebook.com, you should be able to go through the process of searching for anything that you want. And it should, when you hit search, show up with the ability to filter it down and filter down to just posts. But for some people, they've been saying that it is now missing. You can see all people, reels, groups, pages, etc. Now, one thing that you have to do is you can scroll down, and sometimes intermittently in here, you'll be able to see various posts. But if you don't see the post that you're looking for in here, you can tap on the filter icon and just filter it for either recent posts or posts that you have seen in addition to recent posts. So let's say I just wanted to filter it for recent posts. I can also choose post from or date posted. And now it will just show me posts on this list. Keep in mind, I can still go to reels and groups and all that stuff. But if I'm in the all section, it will just show me the posts that are publicly available or from my friends.